The road into the Gleniff Horseshoe feels like a journey into another world. I left Sligo in heavy rain, unsure if the weather would ever give me a chance. The forecast promised only a narrow window of clearer skies, but sometimes you have to trust your instinct. So I took the risk and drove on. The mountains rose around me, steep walls carved by time, holding the valley in silence. Mist rolled across the ridges, drifting in and out, covering the peaks before vanishing again. Some places were swallowed in fog, soft and mysterious. Other places opened suddenly to light, where the clouds broke apart for a moment and revealed the raw beauty of the horseshoe. The wind was strong, and it changed everything by the minute. One moment, dark shadows raced across the valley floor. The next, a break in the sky lit the cliffs in silver and gold. It felt alive, as if the weather itself was breathing through this place, painting the landscape in constant motion. Standing there, watching the horseshoe shift from gloom to brilliance, I realized that this is the true soul of Ireland's mountains. Not fixed, not predictable, but wild, dramatic, and always changing. Sometimes the best moments happen when you risk the rain, when you go anyway, when you trust that beyond the storm, even for just a few minutes, the light will find its way through. This was Gleniff, moody, powerful, unforgettable. A place where nature writes its own story in the clouds above the cliffs.